Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are here for 20th August to a pre-market report. Let's see what's going to happen today. So global index, that is influencer, is positive 5 influencer and negative is 3 influencer. Positive is 5 is what and 3 is what. So let's understand. The Dow Jones is positive, S&P 500 is positive, Gift Nifty is also positive, Nasdaq is also positive, and Nikkei is also positive. So here the Nasdaq and S&P 500 will not influence, but Dow Jones, yes, will influence positive. Dow Jones, Nifty, Gift Nifty positive, and Nikkei positive. So these three will influence much better. So there may be expectation in terms of positive in terms of market. And gold is just a flat, it is not growing, or neither it is in the flat, or it's on the growth as well. So it is no fall also, so there is no influence from gold. Let's take it as a zero influence. And crude oil is also a 0.34. USD is also 0.06. So there is no much influence from the other side, only Gift Nifty is positive. So we might expect a positive in terms of global push from the market. So let's wait for a positive. And remember, last Friday market was closed a weekly low, so there may be possibility another 1 or 2 days, maybe by end of today or tomorrow onwards, market might go even low. So let's wait for that. So market previous day closed 19,257, key resistance 19,444, key support at 19,070, bank nifty 44,231, bank nifty key resistance 44,793, bank nifty key support at 43,669. So previous day, that is on Friday, all the market were like index were down. Nifty minus 120, bank nifty minus 264, nifty finance minus 66, nifty IT minus 197, nifty auto minus 95, nifty FMCG 529. So it is market again is taking a crash level. So this crash is going to stay. Yes, this crash might stay for a long because it has broken the weekly low. We were expecting a weekly support. That weekly support has strongly broken, and it is going to test this week whether the support has broken really or it's a fake breakout. If it's a fake breakout, it is going to bounce back. If it is a real breakout, it's going to fall, because we might expect it as a real breakout because it has made the chart pattern also. Let's see in the chart. See here, this is clearly looking at the chart pattern. This chart pattern has broken this support. So weekly support, now this is the scenario. Till here we are expecting, because there are many gaps here till here. At least if the worst situation, that my market might again test 17,500 levels. So let's wait. If the crash again is consistent or persistent, then it might test this. Otherwise it might bounce back here, but we are expecting at least nearby here. So once if it is broken, then the next support what we are seeing is the strongest double bottom support. It has to come here, because after this double bottom jump, it has not tested this, or it has not filled this gap. This was a must gap to fill. That gap did not fill. Maybe market is trying to aim to fill these gaps. Once if it is fill this gap, then it might start going up. But it was keep on making an uptrend while it was not even bothering for the gaps. Now it is looking at the gaps. So if it is happening and it has made the chart pattern, there is a possibility that market might fall. So let's wait for it. Bank Nifty also clearly looking at this. Bank Nifty also clearly made the chart pattern also. So that's why it is falling, and it has broken the weekly support as well. Though Bank Nifty is a leading indicator, still it has not broken, but in the Nifty it has already shown it's a broken. So there is a possibility that market might take a price action for next 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. After that it might fall. So let's prepare for the fall situation. Though there is no negative news, but still it has broken the weekly support. That means something back end is getting prepared. Let's see what's on the macroeconomics waiting for us. So GDP growth, that is on August 31st. This is a major news. GDP growth is one thing what we are going to expect. That also might change the scenario of the market. If it is really a fake breakout, then GDP growth might turn into the positive. Let's wait. S&P Global and government budget value, infrastructure output, YoY, all these are the August 31st. So rest all September. Foreign exchange and S&P Global PMI, S&P Global PM composite, Global Composite PMI, and M3 money supply, YoY, and continuously bank loan growth, deposit growth. Next month onwards, there are many. Let's discuss on that. But so far today, there is no macroeconomic events till 31st of August. So there is a if at all, if there is a crash expected, that's expected after the GDP growth, or GDP growth preview also might influence the market to fall or market to go up. Let's wait for it. Top stocks to watch out for the day. Vedanta. Anil Agarwal's Vedanta has won an arbitration against a demand for a higher payout from its prolific Rajasthan oil and gas field after disallowance of rupees 9,545 crore. IDFC First Bank has acquired the title sponsorship right for all BCCI international and domestic home matches. So this is one good thing. Title sponsorship it has got it. BL Navratna Defense PSU Bharat Electronics Limited has received a new defense and non-defense orders worth 3,289 crore during July. So after the Chandrayaan 3 success, there is one more additional news or success news for BL. So it might make a higher highs. Let's wait for it. Adani Enterprises, India's market regulator SEBI has nearly completed its probe into whether billionaire Gautam Adani conglomerate violated securities law and will take any action required based on its findings. It said in the Supreme Court filing on Friday. So let's wait for it. This might be a big news. Let's wait for what's going to happen in Adani. ZZ is said to be excluded from the MSCI Global Small Cap Index following the imminent merger of the company with Sony Pictures. Gland Pharma has received a Form 483 with 2 observations from US regulator for the Hyderabad plant. And CCL Products, the company said equipment of wholly owned subsidiary witnessed breakdown which will impact consolidated profits about by 6 to 10%. So these are all the top stocks. So the Nifty 50 stocks, Adani Enterprises, please watch out, and Gland Pharma also please watch out, and BEL also, it is defense stock. So these three are rocking. So just have a clean watch on this. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe.